Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Dubsado account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you track paid and unpaid invoices in Dubsado? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to track your paid and unpaid invoices anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes your customers forget to pay their invoice, so you need to go through their account and see which ones still need paid. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Dubsado dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Dubsado and this is the home screen. Now, in order to track the paid and unpaid invoices, that's going to be handled on the project level. Once you're in the project, you're going to go ahead and choose the list of invoices. And from there, you're going to easily be able to see which invoices have been paid and which ones have not. So here, I'm going to go ahead and click on projects. Once you click on projects, you're going to see all of your projects you have going on. So I'm going to choose this one right here. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this menu across the top and you want to click on invoices. Once you click on invoices, generally it's going to open up your most recent invoice, but you want to click on this button here, invoice list. Okay, once you do that, it's going to show you all of the invoices for that one particular project. And then off to the right, you can see if the invoice has been paid or not. Now you can go ahead and adjust this by clicking on the arrow, and it's going to align them by paid and unpaid. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to track paid and unpaid invoices in your Dubsado account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.